Hello everyone, this is Glenda Tavernina, teacher of the Living Method of Awakening, and I thought you might join me in exploring what's noticed in answering a few questions. So if anyone were to ask you a question, what time is it? How do I get to the subway? Where is the restroom? Doesn't really matter what question is being asked. Have you ever noticed what happens in order to give an answer? Isn't it attention that takes a look and finds an answer, if you will? Isn't it always just attention? If any question were asked of you, do you stop and take a look at the body and search the body for an answer? Of course not. It is so conditioned to identify and believe that the body is me. But notice, does the body really have anything to do with finding an answer, responding, noticing? And given that the body doesn't have anything to do with that attention, you might call it your attention, but isn't it just attention that directs itself to the looking, to finding? It's always the attention. So we've removed the body from the equation, and we're left with noticing where attention goes. When attention is directed to apparent objects, it, so to speak, loses sight of itself, doesn't it? Isn't it interesting how this virtual reality so readily can steal attention away from true nature? Attention itself so readily can get lost in virtual reality. Can you further explore that what you call you is not the body, and is this attention? And what is attention? Couldn't you say that attention is focused awareness? It's interesting how the activity of thinking is a subtle object that captures attention. And then identification is with thinking as well. Can you just be still notice the silence between the words and recognize that that silent, noticing, awareing presence is the closest thing to what you might say you, so to speak, are. And I love the deep end of the pool, but we're not going to go there now. Let's just stay here. And I'd like to end with inviting you to check out the new program that I'm offering starting June 11th. Twice monthly, I'll be meeting for 90 minutes with a small group in a program called Guided Contemplation and Inquiry. Go to awakeningclaritynow.com and get some more information about it. I hope you do resonate with it and you join me. Thank you.